Hey guys, today me and my brother are gonna be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. And guess what? I just killed him. Because I built a horrible boat, now I'm just gonna... Oh wow. Well, I started before him. He didn't even make a boat, but I killed him. And my head is sticking out of the water. So I'm dead.
Who's this person on our team?
I don't know. Why you asking me? I'm not the one, and you should know everything.
I'm gonna try and kill this guy. He's not even on our team. He's on the red team.
Oh yeah.
I think he's dead.
Crazy stuff. Who made it like this?
I made him leave.
I am going super fast.
Wow.
Owie! We're back, you guys. And today we made a horrible boat.
Just look at it. I'm just putting a bunch of stuff in the front.
If you don't like it, you can subscribe if you don't want to. If you do want to subscribe, you can. But this ship is retarded. It's retarded.
Yeah, it is. We're just putting a bunch of stuff in front for like protection.
Yeah, and we already covered ourselves with some blocks. TJ, I can still see your person.
Where?
A little hole up top.
Top? Where? What, my wings?
To the side.
Oh, I see. If y'all want to see what my view looks like, just go to my channel. Because I'm going to be recording too.
I'm ready to go. Why is there a cake on top of the ship?
There's no cake.
Yes, there is. Look on my screen.
Okay, so we finished the boat.
Take that cake off my screen.
No, we're keeping the cake.
Yes.
Let's go.
I hate... No!
Uh-oh. Oh,
Hold
it
it.
fell. It fell, no.
You're dying?
All my stuff is going to protect us. We're going to be fine.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
You made the boat too retarded.
I blame it on the cake.
That's why I said take the cake off. It just fell. Where's the cake?
I don't know.
Is the cake in that pile?
I don't know.
Where did Mr. Cake go?
I don't know.
This is the most retarded ship ever. It looks like John Cena. Oh no, here he comes. That ain't gonna protect us. I see the cake.
Where's the cake?
It's all the way over there.
I don't see the cake.
Oh, I see it.
I don't see the cake. Where's the cake?
All the way over there.
Where's
We're gonna die.
Oh, one of the stars fell off too.
TJ, you want to press yes or no?
Huh?
Yes or no?
Press no. I only want to be in you.
Oh yeah, baby.
Christ.
We're gonna die. I cannot see crap. This is the most retarded ship ever.
I know it is.
Take the stars off, please.
Why?
The stars are blocking my way. I cannot see what's coming up.
I can see you fine.
Because you don't got that many stars on top. Look at that middle one. It looks like John Cena standing up like a basketball.
What are you talking about basketball?
And look at that big girl. It like, John Cena. I shoot basketballs.
I have like 74 of those black blocks.
Hey, TJ.
74 is up there now.
Hey, DJ. Do you know what John Cena does?
What does John Cena do? Stop it.
John Cena. Dun dun dun.
Nobody cares about John
Dun
Cena.
dun dun dun. He shoots hoops like he's retarded. He builds ships like into a basketball.
I've made it to the end a couple times.
Do you win?
That was with my cousin now.
Who, me? I'm your cousin.
You're my brother, retard. Uh-oh, he's in a rage. How much stuff is up there?
Probably 1,000. Still 1,000.
He said, ABC, if you want Robux, don't do it. He's gonna hack your account. There's acid falling in this guy, I think.
How do you know?
It's acid or whatever you want to call it.
How do you know
Oh.
he's gonna?
Something just broke.
Oh, that was the other John Cena flag.
Oh yeah, the John Cena flag came.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why I got 3.
John Cena red.
Oh no.
The lava.
Oh,
Look
no,
at
pass
look
it.
at the crap. Did a dog poop in here?
Oh Jesus.
See, a little pumpkin poop in here. Could look like a pumpkin pooped in here.
Maybe.
Or did a
The
pumpkin?
game just can get a lot more parts and we'll have a lot more protection.
TJ,
What if we make it to the end with this?
what if we make it really far?
I doubt we'll make it to the end.
We're still going.
All our pro-
Holy
Oh,
crap.
God.
Oh, we hit a bomb. No, John Cena's.
All our protection is getting destroyed.
Oh no. TJ, we're going to cover John Cena.
We're gonna hit something.
John Cena flag. We can't let the John Cena
Dude,
flag.
fell off.
We can't let John Cena go away.
Why are these people saying in chat, they're saying Johnny no? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Ah!
Oh, that definitely.
Hey, look, TJ. I'm going to survive.
I got 53.
Look, TJ.
Oh, Jaden's sitting on the edge.
Where are you?
I died.
Pick me up. I'm going to
Alright.
die.
I'm getting some more materials.
I'm scared. You think I should kill myself?
No,
Why? Because I get more gold?
no, like try and jump the stuff.
Jump what?
Alright, I just got 2 ladders.
Jump what?
You know, like the whatever you want to call it, thingamajigs.
How do I jump? Want me to kill myself?
Yeah.
We
Finished. We made Kevin the Cube and a bunch of stuff in front of us.
Hey you guys, I just got back pausing the video. We worked so hard on this.
What the heck?
And we're flipping over. Come on, Kevin the Cube.
Did
TJ,
you press something?
no. You flipped.
How did I flip it? How'd that even shoot?
And how are we gonna get out of this?
Well, guys, that was all for today. The end is me and Jaden getting stuck.
Yup.
Well, we'll see y'all in the next one.
Subscribe. You done? Are you?